Hi boys and girls. So today your learning goal is I can identify the main idea in a text. So the main idea is what the text is mostly about. It's supported with key details or more information about that main idea. And it's found in informational text. So that's nonfiction text, text that we learn about things in. But how do I find the main idea? I can look at the title, and that should give me some hints, some ideas. Looking at the pictures will also give me clues. And if I reread that first and last sentences, a lot of times I can get some good information there, especially the first sentence if I look in the beginning. So if I look at this text here, this is a nonfiction text. I see that the heading here is Afghanistan. So this is a page from a book. So it has a heading. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to read it, and I'm going to try and listen for what the main idea is. What is this mostly about? It says, 9-year-old Maria goes to a school for girls in Kabul, a city in Afghanistan. For many years, girls in Afghanistan weren't allowed to go to school. In 2002, however, a new government was formed. Now girls have schools of their own. Maria wants to become a teacher when she grows up, so she studies hard in school. Her favorite subject is Dari. This is one of the languages spoken in Afghanistan. Maria and her friends have fun at school. At recess, they enjoy jumping rope. Maria's favorite recess sport is soccer. So now I want to think about what was the main idea. So remember, I'm supposed to look at the title, look at the pictures, and reread that first sentence in the text. So I'm going to double check. So I can see in the pictures, I see a school. I see the title or the heading of this section is Afghanistan. And the first sentence says, 9-year-old Maria goes to school. 9-year-old Maria goes to a school for girls in Kabul, a city in Afghanistan. So if I think about that, I read a lot about her school and where she is, and I learned about the things she does at her school in her country. So I would say that my main idea, that the whole part was about Maria goes to a school for girls in Kabul, a city in Afghanistan. And I know because the whole text was about her school in Afghanistan. But let's double check. So the main idea, I know it's what the text was mostly about. I know it's supported with key details, and it's found in informational text. So I looked at my title to find it. I looked at the pictures. I can see a lot of kids at school. And then I reread that first and last sentence. The last sentence didn't help me so much here. It says Maria's favorite recess sport is soccer. But that first sentence and the pictures really helped me figure out that all of this text was all about Maria going to a school for girls in Afghanistan. So our learning goal was I can identify the main idea in a text. Make sure you go back and check that chart. We're going to put it on the how-to board. And you're going to continue to practice looking for the main idea in a text and how to find it. Good luck.